Good morning, children. Today let us revise for our evening examination in maths. So prepare well for that. First of all, your portion is starts with rational number 4e, 4f alone. So 4e and 4f we have learned for the midterm examination itself. So important topics in it is how to write a rational number, its reciprocal. Reciprocal means the numerator will become denominator, denominator will become numerator. So minus 11 by 13 is there, means minus minus will get cancelled, 13 by 11. The reciprocal of minus 11 by minus 13 is 13 by 11. This is how you will find. Next, finding the value. You will take the division. Instead of division, you will put multiplication and you will make the number reciprocal, 3 by 2. So we all know division is the reciprocal of multiplication. So in that way you will be doing this. And the exercise 4f, it deals with representing the rational numbers in the number line. Next is comparing it. When you have a common denominator, you will compare the numerator and say which one is greater. If you don't have a common denominator, you will find the LCM. After that, you can compare the numerators. So you have different denominators. Here you will take LCM and compare it. Then ascending order, descending order, you will have to find LCM for all the denominators in common. Then you can arrange it. Next exercise is exponents. Exponents is an easy exercise, 5a, 5b. In 5a, you learnt the formulas. How to read the formulas I have taught already. A power m into a power n. When you have multiplication, you will add the powers. A power m plus n. When you have division, you will subtract the powers. Then a power m whole power n means you will multiply powers. A power m into n means it is a power m whole power n. Similarly, if you see this exercise, it is an easy exercise where they'll be asking you what is the power, what is the base, or what is the index. Here 7 is the base, 3 is, you can call it as a power or index. Then find the value. See, minus 5 power cube. That is 5 is repeated how many times? 3 times. So 5 into 5 into 5. You have minus 5. So minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. If you multiply that, your answer will be 125. Minus 125. How? When you had an odd number in the power, you will get answer with minus 1. Even power means you get answer plus 1. So power is even, you will not get negative answer. And fill in the blanks. Give importance to that. Then how to write each of the following as a power of prime number. We are going to use the formula and solve it. If you see 11 into 11 square into 11 into 4, here A into B into C. And if you look, all the terms are common. You have 3 powers. So you can make one base. 11 power 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 11 power 7. This is how we will be writing. Then learning the fill-ups and simplification. Concentrate on this more. Each model you work out on one problem. The next topic is in arithmetic problems. I have covered only 2 exercises. One is exercise 1a ratio. Another one is exercise 3a percentage. So I will be revising it now. So in ratio, first one is how to express into the simplest form. This is an important model. So give importance to first 4 problems. And next you can concentrate on the next model. How to divide a number into equal sum. Then the last 2 problems. So in what way it will increase or reduce. So that model. So 3 different models you give importance. If you see second problem. Your question is rupees 10 paise 50 to rupees 26 paise 75. So we are going to convert this paise into paise. Will be keeping as it is, this rupees into paise. You know the formula, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So we are going to convert this rupees 60. So rupees 60 paise 50. to convert this rupees into paise, multiply it into 100. So 60 into 100 plus 50. 6000 plus 50, 6050 paise. If you see next, rupees 26 paise. So, rupees 26 paise 75. Instead of rupees, you will multiply by 100 and you will add 75 paise. So it is 2600 plus 75, 2675 paise. And now they are asking its ratios to the simplest form. So now 6050 divided by 2675. We are going to cancel. If you cancel using 5 table, 1 5 is 5, carry over 1, 5 2s are 10, 1 5 is 5, 0 divided by 5 5s are 25, carry over 1, 5 3s are 15, carry over 2, 5 5s are 25. So it is 1210 by 535. Again cancel using, you can cancel using it 5 table, 5 2s are 10, carry over 2, 5 4s are 20, carry over 2, 5, then 2 times 535, 1 5 is 5, 0, 7 5s are 35. The simplest form is 242 is to 107. This is the smallest form. This is one type of model, converting it into the smallest form. Next, your next model will be 10th problem. If you see the 10th problem, it says two numbers are in the ratio 4:5. Their sum is 180. So they are asking to find the sum, and two ratios they have given. In this case, what we will do, we will take it as a first number, second number is in the ratio 4:5. When you add these two numbers, they are given it as 180. So 4x plus 5x is equal to 180. 9x is equal to 180 by 9. We have found x is equal to 20. So the first number we have taken it as 4x. So 4 into 20, 80. Second number as 5x. 5 into 20, 100. Next exercises, I have selected percentage. In the percentage, it is an easy problem. How to convert the fraction into percentage, a decimal number into percentage. These are the important concept. If you see how to convert a fraction into percentage, 7 by 10. This is a fraction. To convert it into a percentage, you have to multiply it by 100. Then percentage into decimal means 15 by 100. So percentage is there. We are going to convert it into a fraction. So 15 percentage means it is 15 by 100. Decimal as a percentage, 0.28. So I have shown you the formula, right? Decimal into percentage. How to find, to convert a decimal into percentage, shift the decimal to the right 2 places and you will put the denominator 100. This is how you are going to do. 0.28 is there. We are converting this decimal into percentage. We will be shifting the decimal point to the 2 places. So it is 28 and you will be having the denominator 100. So it is 28%. Is an easy exercise. How to convert ratio into percentage. 3:5 is there. So you can write this ratio as 3 by 5. Convert into percentage. You can multiply it by 100. Then you can cancel it. Next important topic is 65% as ratio. If you see 6th problem, 65% as ratio. So how can we write? It is 65 by 100. You can make it as a simplest form. Then your problem number 7. 25% of 65. That means 20% means 20 by 100 multiplied by 65. So you will be cancelling the terms. And if you concentrate more on the 10th problem, 10 paise is equal to dash of a rupee. So you all know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So you can do it as 10%, 10 by 100. So you can write it as a 10%. So concentrate more on the fill-ups. And next exercise is your algebra. exercise 1 and exercise 2a. In that, what are the important topics to be learned? What is a like term? What is an unlike term? Like term means variables having same power. 5a minus 4a, variable is a and its power is 1. So you can call it as a like term. Unlike term means 4x minus 4x square. The power of x is 1. Here power of x is 2. So two different variables. So important concept first is like term, unlike term. Then what are the types of polynomial? If you have one term, you can call it as monomial, 2 terms binomial, 3 terms trinomial. And the next important one is how to find the degree. Which variable, which literal has the highest power, we call it as a degree. If you see the power of x is 2, here the power of x is 1. So 2 is the bigger number. So you can say the degree of the polynomial is 2. And in that exercise 1a, the last question, how to find the value of a square plus 4a minus 3. They have given the value of a. So what we will do, we will substitute the value of a in that expression. Instead of a, we will be substituting 4. 4 square plus 4 into 4 minus 3. 4 square is 16. 4 into 4 is also 16 minus 3. 16 minus 3 is 13. So 16 plus 13 is equal to 29. Then the next exercise deals with how to add an algebraic expression. 9a square minus 2a square. If you have to add it, you have to insert an addition symbol. And if you have subtraction, you have to differentiate it. Then you will be multiplying addition and subtraction. Now, after that you will be getting minus. If you see the literal a square common literal. So you can subtract the numeral 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is 7a square. And if you see this problem, like expression 8x minus 12 and 3y minus 7x, you have a combined term. So first you will be writing bracket 8x minus 12y plus 3y minus 7x. After that you will be taking the symbol inside. Next writing the common variable together, 8x minus 7x and minus 12y plus 3y. Next is taking the x outside, writing the numeral 8 minus 7. Here also y outside, minus 12 plus 3. 8 minus 7 is 1 and minus 12 plus 3 is minus 9. So x minus 9y. So adding the algebraic equation is very easy. Prepare well. Concentrate more on this algebra. I have framed many one-word questions as well as 3-mark questions. And next exercise is geometry. In geometry, the last video I posted, I remember in that the important concept is when you add a sum of 3 angles, it is 180 degree. How to find the unknown? Angle A is equal to 65, angle B is equal to 35. How to find unknown? We will add A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Substitute the value of the given 165 plus 35 is equal to C, and we will keep C one side and take the remaining added term to the other side. So it will become negative. 180 minus 100 is 80. Then the type of angle if you select, if all the 3 angles are less than 90 degree, you call it as a acute angled triangle. It is an easy concept to concentrate well on it. And geometry, I have said only one problem I have selected, and that also I have explained you in that video and posted in images. So concentrate on that. If you split 90 as 45, it is easy for drawing that. So you can select drawing 90 degree as 45 degree, then you can separate it as 4 equal parts. Then in the geometry you can learn this classification of triangle for the one word purpose. Scale and means no sides will be equal. Isosceles, 2 sides will be equal. Acute angle means one angle, all the angles will be acute. Obtuse means one angle will be an obtuse angle. Right angle means one angle will be a 90 degree. Then the properties, exterior and interior angle, if you add, it is 180. So these and all you concentrate, as well as exercise 5a one words. Sit and learn these one words. So these are the portions, and your pattern I have selected is shoes carries 20 marks, then Fill-ups is for 10 marks. You have matched the following. Then identifying the polynomial 10 marks. So which is a monomial, polynomial, that, and writing degree also it carries 10 marks. Answer the following 30 marks. And geometry. How to construct an angle. Only one problem, that is you are constructing 90 degree and splitting it into 4 equal parts. So concentrate in all these. Do the exam well. Thank you, students.